am back with another banger 2024 banger video. I know it's been a while, y'all. It's been a very long time. I would just like to say welcome back to my Rodeo Squad members that have been coming back, watching me throughout the past couple years when I started. And also, if you are new and true to my channel, welcome. I welcome y'all. So y'all, I know it's been a minute. I've just been doing other things. I've been traveling, I've been moving, I've been just working. A lot of new things have been going on with me. You have to excuse my hair because I'm on this last braid that I'm finna do for this hairstyle that I'm finna do. I want to be doing like probably more videos. I'm gonna do hair videos, but it's gonna be like different stuff, like the clip-ins, maybe the crochet braids. But I've been so lazy, y'all. Like, I can't even explain it. Like, since I work from home, it's like I don't change my hair like I used to every week, as if I was out there in the field. So yeah, excuse my background. I'm in my bathroom. I'm in my new crib. I'm not gonna do a house tour because it's too much. This house is gorgeous and beautiful, and I love it. My bathroom is bigger. You see, yes, my shower is huge. But yeah, I'm not gonna do that because people is nosy. Okay. But yeah, I'm in my bathroom videoing. I'll probably be always in my bathroom videoing because my mirror is freaking humongo. Like, my mirror goes from there all the way down to over there. Yeah, I got my towel hanging up. This is where my stuff is hanging, so excuse all that. My bonnets, my bras. Who ain't got their bras hanging up back there? I do. Anywho, so the hair I'm gonna be doing today is gonna be the motherfucking beach curl. I already ripped it out the thing, whatever, y'all, because y'all know how I be spraying up my hair, making it smell good, cleaning it. It's a beach curl, 12 inches. But you know what I did? Because I didn't go to the store, I just recycled. Like, I went in my hair bag, and I'm going to show y'all. See this? Here and here, and here and here, wherever it's at. These are bags of hair. I've given so much hair away, like, for real. But anyway, I'm talking too much, and I'm getting my own nerves. So, what I am doing is a Freetress braid. This is my favorite brand and hair, the beach curl. The color I got is that red. It's actually a one is CHERRYWINE and the other one is like a CJ99, something like that. But I alternate with both of them. So I got, you see how one is brighter than the other? Red is like my color for my go-to for my hair. My hair color is, as y'all can see, is growing out. Y'all see the vibes. Y'all see the curls. And I cut my hair. But it's I got some hang time. Y'all see that? I got some hang time. It just shrink up when it's dry and stuff like that. But y'all see the vibes. Y'all see the curls. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? Yeah, I see it. So my braiding pattern, what I did was I braided this going, and y'all see I went this way, then I went this way, and then it's all meeting in the back. So let me finish off this braid, and then I'm gonna show y'all the pattern that the hairstyle that I'm finna attempt to try to do, because I'm gonna have it like half braids, and the back is just gonna be just curls. So I'm not gonna fill up my whole head with the crochet hair. I'll be back. All right, y'all, I am back, and I'm done with that braid. So this is my braiding pattern, as y'all can see, all the way around. Oh, I don't got no pants on. Oh my freaking goodness. Anyways, what you're gonna do is start with your crochet needle. This is my favorite one because it got purple on the top. And I think what I'm gonna do is start in the back, like I always do, with the darker color instead of the lighter color. Ooh, excuse me. So what I'm gonna do, I'm not gonna split it. I will only split it if I have enough hair. So what I like to do is just pull the crochet hair, you know, pull all the excess hair off, whatever. Loop it, because I gotta give y'all a refresher course. What the? Anyways, loop it. Put it in the back, and I start with the back, and I just kind of feel and do it by heart because I already know what I'm doing. Put it through the underneath the braid, pull it through, and you see that loop? Go through 1, 2. You can do 2 or 3 times. Sometimes I do 2, sometimes I do 3. It just depends. And voila, there you have it. And this is the beginning start of this hair. Now this hair, I got it from my local beauty supply store here. I be having so much hair left over, like I don't even have to go buy hair sometimes because shoot, I already be having hair, you know what I mean? So this time around, I'm like, ooh, I save money because shoot, I didn't have to buy no hair. And I think this hair was let me see. Yeah, $6.99 a pack. So in the past I had a whole bunch of packs, but this hair was just left over. So I will be back to show y'all the halfway touches of my hair. And like I said, this hair is very soft. This is that beach curl. This is like one of my favorite, like this is like my for real, like go-to hair. And it's only what, 12 inches? If I'm not mistaken. Yeah, 99J. I said C99. What the heck I was talking about? 12 inches, 99J. So 199J and 1 is CHERRYWINE. Girl, I am all over the place. I'll be back, y'all. Alright, y'all. I am motherfucking back. Okay, so I have completed the crochet. This is what it looks like in the back. And this is how it looks in the front. Like I said, I'm doing like a half up, not half up, back down. Half braids, half crochet. I do have this little piece left. And what I normally do, I pull any excess hair off. You know, y'all, because I had to speed this up. Because who's gonna sit there and watch a video of somebody just actually doing like the whole thing? I have old videos that show in the beginning when I started YouTube, the whole process, but after a while it's like you get the point. So what I do is just get this last little piece here. I can still split it so to get more hair. So let me see. So that's what I'm doing. I've been splitting a lot of it, and it's easy to split, y'all. It's so easy to split. And then I will go in that hoop area and I put my nail through there and pull like any excess extra hair. And then I'm gonna go ahead and add this, because I did, you see how I kind of like, I don't want to say layered it, but just did like the different colors scheme. I put the more red in the front and then the more darker red in the back. And so just to kind of give y'all a refresher, this is what I do. I can add that, let me see, right here on the side. So I go ahead and put that through, hoop it, clamp it, pull it through, just like that. And then, you know, put it through here. I'm gonna do 3. 1, 2, 3. No, I lied. I'm gonna do 4. Blue, and I pull, and it's there, and it's on, like, and it's cute. And I'm gonna do this very last one. So I'm just showing y'all what I do. Oh, see, this one real tiny and thin, but that's cool. That's cool. I could put it, hold on, I gotta look in the mirror. Okay, I can go ahead and put that at the top up here. Hoop it, clamp it, pull it through, just like that. It's so easy, and make sure you catch that loop of it being open. And you just go through it. 1, 2. I don't even need to do 2 head because that's really thin. And so, yeah. Bloop. And I cut that one so it can be a little bit short. And I'm gonna layer it and do all other kind of stuff with it, but that's pretty much it, y'all, because like I said, I want it half braided, half down. I wasn't gonna crochet the whole thing like I normally do. And then I got my baby hairs. They just laying down. They're not dramatic. This is my normal, regular baby hairs anyway. I don't be doing the ones that come to your foot. That's just freaking ridiculous. I don't get that. So, yeah. Tell me how y'all like it. I'll probably keep this up for a while. Or until it start looking mother freaking crusty. But this is it. Easy, simple, soft, bouncy. It lasts a long time too. Also, sometimes I'll put this in it. It's some curly mousse. This smells so good, y'all. This is by Cream of Nature. I've been having this for like a minute. And I could just put that in. It helps with the flyaways, the fuzzies. I guess that's what they say. It helps with. I like it because it smells great. It smells so good. So good. And I'm going to do it all kind of styles though, you know. Yep, I can bring it to the front. I can bring it to the back. But I'll throw some pictures up at the end of this video. Alright, Radio Squad. Thank y'all for watching and coming back and seeing my very first channel for the year of 2024. I'm going to try to stay consistent with these hairstyles since I work from home. It's just like, I don't even comb my hair no more. I comb my hair, but I just let it last for a very long time since I work from home. You know what I mean? So it's just kind of like, I'm not going nowhere. But anywho, I'll be back. And make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Thumbs up this video. And share with your family, your friends, your grandma, your granddaddy, your dog, your cat, your birds, your reptiles, just everybody. Alright, y'all. Have a good one. Deuces. I'm out.